Okay, this video is on packet tracer determining network strengths and weaknesses, and it is packet tracer 3.1.4. And so we have our network right here, and we're going to try to identify and document the strengths and weaknesses of this network. So you have your internet coming in, and the redundancy of this network is not good, because your internet comes in and it goes to this router, which can go to this router, which does these computers. If this router goes down, everything is shut down. If this connection right here goes away, then it's all shut down. If this router goes away, then these end users have no connection to their internet or to their server. The only thing that would be going would be this right here. So that is one of the biggest weaknesses in this network that I see just by looking at it. And so we are going to switch from logical workplace to the physical workplace, so we can kind of get an idea of how the thing looks physically. So I'm going to make this bigger. And this is our film company building. Over here is our ISP. And this area right here is our wireless coverage. I should say I'm assuming that, because I've looked and have not figured out exactly. I'm just assuming that's a wireless coverage, and that's what I'm supposed to look for. So then if you go in the building, you have your conference room, and in your conference room you have PC6, and you go into your general work area and you have PC0, PC1, PC2, and printer 0. If you go into the MDF and the POP room, you have the FC CPE1 router and the FC ASW2 switch, which is actually the switch that connects you to your wireless. And then you have the FC ASW1 switch, which takes you to your star topology of your work group. And you can see that our wiring scheme we go from here to here. This goes off to the internet, which comes in and goes to this wiring closet and to this protection area. So I'm assuming that this is DHCP. I'm assuming it's wireless. Pretty sure it is, because there is no wires going to this room, so it has to be wireless. So then we go to our wiring room, our wiring closet, and we have the production switch. Okay, and it goes over to the production work area, where you have your other PCs in your printer 1. So then let's go back here. So the wiring closet only has this production switch in it, which goes to these. Okay, so we've switched back to the logical workspace, and we are going to we're going to go into this router, and we're going to run some commands. We're going to do show run, and there's no service password. Okay. Fast Ethernet 0/0 has an IP net inside. 0/1 has an IP net outside. 0/0/0 is inside. Whoops. Nice. Great. Okay. The VLAN, no IP address, is shut down. IP NAT inside source 1 interface. And okay, let's do a show version. Cisco router 1841. Ethernet IEEE 802.3 interfaces, and then a fast Ethernet. And then let's do show interfaces. Five-minute input rate, 5-minute output rate. That's what we're getting here. Your VLAN is administratively down. Okay, that was on this router, and that was going over to these right here. If we go into the wireless, we could really mess some things up here, I'm sure. So that would be yep. Okay, let's see what this guy says to us. Let's do a show run. IPDHCP excluded. Addresses. Got encapsulation. So we should have a VLAN, but it's shut down. IP classless. Let's do show version. It's a Cisco 1841 router. And then show, that don't work, interface. And this will tell about our interfaces. I'm sure in the real world of doing this, you would really get it figured out and know it. And it's going to be totally different than what I'm doing here. So that, you know, you just got to go in, figure out where your weaknesses are, where your strengths are. This is set at DHCP so other wireless devices can come in and connect. I'm sure that there's a password on that has to be password protected. For security reasons. Security. Anyway, that's kind of how you would check your network out in between your physical and your logical layout of what's what. And the activity was 100% completion before I ever started. And so that is what it is. And hopefully this helped you guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and have a super blessed day.